Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to fix app which keeps crashing all the time. Alright, so first of all, let's begin with a force stop, because sometimes when the app is running in the background, even though it is not shown on the recents, it might affect the usage. So let's begin with tapping on the settings, or actually I can show you a much faster way. Alright, so let's pretend that maybe Google Chrome is crashing all the time. So just tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Here we've got the options connected with the Chrome, and as you can see here we've got the force stop. So let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Your device will completely shut it down, and now you can try to open it again and check whether it is working or whether it is crashing all the time. Another thing which you can do is to reset your phone, and to be honest, I highly recommend to do that right after the force stop, because thanks to it your device kind of refreshes everything and saves and confirms all of the changes. So to restart your device, simply press the power button and the volume up button together, and then tap on this circle and drag it to this restart option, and your device will be turned off and then powered on again automatically, and try to open the app again. Another thing which might cause the crashing is the old version of the app. So I highly recommend to go to the Play Store. This is the place from which most of the apps will be installed on your device. And make sure that you've got the internet connection, make sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection. I highly recommend to use it instead of the mobile data. And be aware that because you will have to be logged into your Google account. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. And after entering the Play Store, you can tap on search and simply enter the name of the app. So let's pretend in my case it's Chrome. And here we've got it. We've got it installed. So let me actually go back, because I would like to show you the app which is not updated already. So maybe files. Everything is installed. Alright. So let me go to the circle, our account, my apps and games, tap on manage, and updates available. As you can see here, we've got also the list of all apps which are currently installed on your device. So if you cannot find it using the search icon, I highly recommend to check this list, because for sure it will be listed if the updates is available. So let me choose maybe Gmail. Alright, sorry, Gmail. Just mark the option and then tap on update, or if you will, just search for it. Just let me show it to you quickly. You will see this update icon next to the app. We've got the information that it is installed and it needs to be updated. So just tap on update. And by downloading newer version, you can fix some problems. And I highly recommend, again, after the whole update, just restart your device to, again, confirm everything. What is more, another thing which you can do on the Play Store is to uninstall the app and then install it again, because sometimes applying the updates also cannot be enough, might not be enough. So basically just find the app, as in my case Gmail, and then maybe something else, maybe Chrome, because it is updated and I can show you what you can do. After finding the app, we can simply tap on it, and here we've got this uninstall option. So just tap on uninstall, and your device will basically remove it. And here for some reason we've got the update and open, even though I've just removed it. I have no idea what's going on here. But you've got the whole point of this idea. Just uninstall the app and then install it again. As you can see, it's installing. And thanks to it, you can also fix some bugs. And the last thing is to actually check your system update, because sometimes your system also might affect the apps and the opening and the process, etc. So to do that, again, make sure that you've got the internet connection, go to the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone and tap on this REALME section. And now your device will basically check for the updates. In my case, everything is up to date. However, if your device will show you that you've got the update pending, I highly recommend to simply tap on download or install and apply the newest version, not only because it could fix the apps which are crashing, but also usually your developer will suggest or actually will add some security patches which are really crucial. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.